In this video, you'll learn how to complete level 2 verification on the OKX app. By following these steps, you will successfully navigate through the verification process and enhance your account security. Begin by opening the OKX app on your mobile device. Once the app is launched, locate and tap on the profile icon, which is typically found in the bottom right corner of the screen. After tapping on profile, you will see various options related to your account settings. Next, find and select Identity Verification, or KYC, from the list of options. This section is where you will manage your verification levels. Once you tap on it, the app will display the current verification stat and available levels for completion. Choose verification level and then select level 2 or advanced verification. This selection will initiate the process for the more comprehensive verification required for enhanced features. After making your selection, the app will prompt you to enter your personal information. Enter your full legal name, date of birth, and address. Ensure that the address you provide matches the address on your identification document. This accuracy is crucial for the verification process to proceed smoothly. After filling in these details, proceed to the next step. Now, you will need to upload the required documents. Prepare to upload a clear photo of your ID, passport, or driver's license. Ensure that the photo is not blurry and clearly shows all relevant information. If the process requires both front and back images, take care to upload both sides accordingly. Following the document upload, you will be prompted to take a selfie or perform a live face scan. Carefully follow the on-screen instructions during this step. Ensure you are in a well-lit area where your face is fully visible. Your face should match the identification document you previously uploaded to confirm your identity. After completing the selfie or face scan, review all the information you have entered. Take a moment to double-check your personal details and uploaded documents to ensure everything is accurate. Once you're satisfied with the information, tap the submit button to finalize the verification process. You will need to wait for approval, which usually occurs within minutes to a few hours. During this time, keep an eye on your notifications or email, as you will receive a confirmation once your verification has been approved.